So I'm gonna remove this part. Is just these three, and then these four here, and I'm gonna try to remove the cable here and measure how long it is. Let's see if I can get this off. Yeah, we got some cables here also. Dirty. So I'm just gonna disconnect this and put this away. So it goes down there, okay. So I guess we have to remove this piece also. Right, this is So we got some screws here. And then I think this is, you gotta press in here. So I got it off. You have to sort of, this was the hardest part. You sort of have to press down with the screwdriver and get this just unstuck. And then you can just pull them out, sort of push it away. Anyway, we can see that the speedometer cable is going through this hole all the way inside and comes down here. So that's not as they do on the Chinese one, where they go on the side. So anyway, here we have the throttle assembly. So I think I'll just unscrew, put this apart, and we'll go from there. So I've loosened this one. There we get the wire. So it's still in one place, still together there. Yeah, I need both hands. But you push this out here. There we go. So now we just screw this loose. And how are we supposed to pull it through? Yeah. Get some kind of thing there. Okay, so it wasn't hard. Yeah, the thing that was in there, it was just this rubber. So you just have to pull it through. So yeah. Now we can see if we can, how we get this out. So we got some screws in here also to remove this. We got this one and that one. And take the other one too. So after checking a bit more here, and it's tucked in here. So it's really tight and you can't I don't think you can get this out. You have to push the new one and or an old one out here. So you sort of almost have to cut everything that is bigger than this. So, and that's a hassle. So I'm thinking maybe I'll keep this one, since it's no problem. It comes out here, and then it comes out here, and then these are hooked into this, sort of like on each side, sort of like that, and this is a throttle comes in here on the other side. So anyway, I'm thinking I can just sort of get something to keep these together, and then it will pull all the way, right? So this has a feather, so it's pulling back, and should be the same here if I can get the correct length and just sort of push this together with something. Then it should work, and I don't have to buy a new one. So that's the simplest, I think. I think I go for that. This oil line, this oil cable, it will be disconnected. I think I said that before. I've ordered a plug, so we don't need this part anymore. So this is just, should go light. Maybe grease this up a bit. Put this back together. I think I'll do that for now. So while we're at it, I'm gonna clean this a bit with some wax. Can't do it with a washing machine. It's winter outside and I don't want to go outside, so this will be what it will be. Just clean things up so we stop the rust and so on. So you see here, and when I pull the throttle, it works. So the idea, I think, will work. We just have to find the right type of things to mesh this together. And looks like bicycle things, so have to find some nipples and so on. So we got a cable for the throttle, the rum. Should be 185 centimeters. Looks short. We'll see if this is correct. Looks really short. And this should be a Bendix for the start motor. It will be interesting to see if it fits for the Kymco ZX. It was lacking this one, the one I got from the Moa's moped. This is supposed to go in, it doesn't. This is supposed to flex. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we'll see. So the size is correct. 185. So that's nice. So it was correct. That's nice. So anyway, I changed this. The throttle cable was no problem, but might have to be adjusted later on. You can adjust here, but you need to be able to turn it. So anyway, it goes through all the way here. It was thinner, this one, but the other one had sort of an outside shell, the other cable. So I just put some electric tape there, and think it will work. Goes routed through here all the way,
and hopefully we can get it to fit the carburetor later on.
Waiting and always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire, set my heart afire.